Sabriji, please.
Thank you, Speaker, sir. First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, my colleagues, and my floor leader for giving me this opportunity to speak on this very important topic representing Telugu Desam Party. Sir, the word Akshaya, which means one thing that can never be diminished. And this song, Vande Mataram, was written on the auspicious day of Akshaya Navami. And from then on, it has become eternal song of our country. This is a song that represents courage and hope. The song that represents countless memories of India's collective consciousness. Sir, it was in 1896 when Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore sang this song in the Congress session. And from then on, it has entered
Please be seated. Honorable members, please be seated.
And in 1905, when thousands of people marched during the partition of Bengal with the slogans Vande Mataram, this was the time when it entered India's political bloodstream. Sir, we should, as our Honorable Prime Minister mentioned today, that we should never forget few contributions made by our greatest people. One such is Madam Bikaji Kama, where she rose the tricolor flag which had Vande Mataram on it abroad. And sir, Madan Lal Dingraji, who walked towards the gallows, and the last word he uttered was not out of fear, but it was out of immense devotion, that is Vande Mataram. And also Savarkarji, when he was put to Kalapani and brought to death, the only word from the beginning he uttered was Vande Mataram. A small village from Andhra Pradesh, that is Peddakarayapalli. It was the first village to attain Swaraj and shook empires in the nation. This song Vande Mataram not only inspired freedom movement but also shaped the freedom movement and also fused the spiritual awakening and also political awakening and spiritual strength. Sir, we all read history from the childhood, and I'm sure everyone are aware of Warren Hastings. I would like to quote a saying of his to George Cole Brooke in Glade's Memoir, Volume 1, that soon there is going to be destruction by the sadhus and sannyasis and also freely wandering fakirs. And those people who has infested annually the empires and provinces. Look at the word he has used. He has used that our sadhus infest the empires. And soon this was forgotten. Our sadhus were compared to looters and robbers. But this was again remembered soon after the birth of Anandamath. And yet we speak about Warren Hastings, but not about the sadhus who has resisted the empires. Sir, this was the Macaulay effect, what our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji wanted to remove. And this was the Macaulay effect that our PM was talking about. Sir, the Macaulay mindset has removed greatest people in our history. And one such is Uyalavada Narasimha Reddy, who belongs to Koyalakuntla, that is in my constituency. And I'm proud to say that my mother was born in Koyalakuntla and my grandfather and great-grandfather was elected representatives of this Koyalakuntla. And also my forefathers have participated in the freedom struggle. And his name was deleted from history textbook. Pingali Venkaya, our son of Andhra Pradesh, who has designed national flag, one of the major contributions were removed from the history. It was only after the announcement of our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji about Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, where all these people were again remembered, and now we see our youngsters, the patriotism filled in their bloodstream and walking towards Vikasit Bharat. This is the demacalization what our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji did. And sir, we sing this Vande Mataram with great pride and zeal, irrespective of religion, caste, creed, and sex. It mentions that you bow to the motherland and raise to the nation. And sir, I don't know why, but few people from the country and few leaders sitting here can't bow to the motherland. And maybe it's perhaps their foreign DNA that is resisting them, and that is resisting them from not even coming to the session today, not even participating in such an important discussion, Vande Mataram. And sir, Vande Mataram song mentions about our orchards, mentions about our rivers. It also talks about not just to the kings and rebels, but to the farmers, then to the children of our country, and also teachers. And a state where it was composed, and a state where it was a war cry, where the patriotic, it entered the patriotic and political bloodstream. And I don't know why, the state that claims that Durga Ma's motherland, and also the state where Durga Puja is performed every day, they never questioned Congress for removing great divine words such as Durga, Vani and Kamala from the Vande Mataram. Everyone knows who has done it in 1937. We all have list of leaders belonging to Nehruji's cabinet that objected to Vande Mataram. Sir, our former president Abdul Kalam ji, he sang this song with great pride and said, do not look at this song as a religious song, but look at it as an inspirational song where every Hindu and Muslim of our country should sing it with great pride. Our A.R. Rahman, music maestro, in his album Ma Tujhe Salam, has sung this Vande Mataram and created ripples in the entire nation. And also, Dr. Rajendra Prasad ji has mentioned that the national song Vande Mataram should be equally honored with that of national anthem. And every Hindu and Muslim of our country has appreciated to this statement. And sir, I appreciate and I'm thankful to our Honorable Prime Minister for celebrating 150 years of Vande Mataram. And this 150 years is not just, this journey reflects our country itself. This journey of 150 years reflects the courage of our forefathers. It reflects the sacrifice of our villages and also voice of millions of our country. And this is not just a musical note or lyrics. It is about the power it has got, which fills every Indian soul with patriotism. And sir, this speech is not from a piece of paper, but it's from my heart. And I'm proud to say here, and I bow to my motherland and also raise to the nation. And standing in this parliament, in my country's parliament, I say Vande Mataram and Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Thank you.